Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make salmon sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh lemon, a handful of dill, and about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Also, have some heavy cream, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper ready. Make sure your salmon is cooked and waiting, as this sauce comes together very quickly. We're aiming for a delicious, restaurant-quality finish. Now, let's start building our flavor base. Place a small saucepan over medium-low heat and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once melted, add 1 finely minced garlic clove. Sauté the garlic gently for about 30 seconds, being careful not to brown it. This step releases a wonderful aroma and sets the stage for a rich, savory sauce that complements your salmon perfectly. Next, we'll introduce the liquids for that creamy texture. Pour in 1/2 cup of heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally. Then, squeeze in the fresh juice of 1/2 lemon. This adds a bright, zesty counterpoint to the richness. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of black pepper, adjusting to your taste preferences. For the grand finale, let's add the fresh herbs. Stir in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill. Allow the sauce to simmer gently for just 1 to 2 minutes, letting it thicken slightly and allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once it reaches your desired consistency, remove it from the heat. Drizzle this incredible, easy salmon sauce generously over your perfectly cooked salmon and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.